Advanced Wellness, a health center that blends medical expertise with aesthetic finesse, is one of the first in the area to offer leading-edge, non-invasive technology that uses muscle activation to build muscle, burn fat, tighten skin, and strengthen the pelvic floor. And here to tell us about this exciting health and wellness company and these cutting-edge treatments is President and CEO of Advanced Wellness and family nurse practitioner, Nicole M. Slosher. Hello.
Hello.
Thank you for being here.
Thanks for having me.
Well, let's talk about your clinic. Tell us about it.
So Advanced Wellness Center is a family practice clinic in Dubuque. I have been in practice for 20 years. I have an amazing staff. We offer primary care, acute care, as well as we have a weight loss program as well. And we just added aesthetics to our practice.
Oh, it's not often you get all of those in one place.
Not at all. We have also added some really great non-invasive cutting edge machines into our clinic. M-Sculpt.
Yes.
M-Cella.
Tell us a little more about M-Sculpt. Let's start with that because you have a few.
Yes.
So, okay, M-Sculpt, well, what is it?
So our M-Sculpt Neo, it works with both muscle activation as well as radio frequency to tighten the skin as well as build muscle, burn fat. We use it both functionally as well as sculpting. Okay. So like in our athletes, our aging population, as well as people who are recovering from injury, we can treat hip pain, shoulder pain, knee pain, but then we can also use the sculpting functionality for people who may want to target those hard to reach areas like our abs or our arms, our legs, calves.
How often do you recommend somebody
So we recommend for the best treatment is one treatment once a week for 4 weeks. That is equivalent to 12 weeks of a HIIT workout.
Oh my gosh, so are you a little sore?
No, there is no soreness. It does remove lactic acid, so that is what makes us sore when we do sit-ups. One abdominal treatment with our M-Sculpt Neo is equivalent to 20,000 sit-ups.
That's crazy.
Yeah, it's wonderful.
And no soreness, that's wild.
Yes.
How long would you say the treatment is?
It's a 30-minute treatment.
30-minute treatment, once a week.
Once a week for 4 weeks.
Yeah, you could do that.
It's wonderful.
Well, okay, there's other pieces of the technology that M-Face.
Absolutely. So we have M-Face, which also uses muscle contraction as well as the radio frequency to tighten the skin. It increases collagen and elastin production. So it's our closest thing to a non-surgical facelift that we have.
Wow.
And so we utilize that. It is also a 20-minute treatment once a week for 4 weeks. We can treat the forehead, the eyes, cheeks, as well as underneath the chin.
This is the hard part.
Yes, yes, especially after we get a little bit older, that makes a difference.
And then M-Cella.
Our M-Cella, it is like one of our most popular things in our office. 1 in 4 women have incontinence, especially after menopause or pregnancy. Men have incontinence too, especially after any kind of prostate surgery or just aging. And so we have a 95% satisfaction rate with this. It's like doing 11,000 Kegels in 28 minutes. So it's wonderful.
So again, how often are you doing this? How long is the treatment?
Our M-Cella treatments are twice a week for 3 weeks, and it really just works to tighten that pelvic floor.
Can you do all of these treatments in the same day, or do you recommend?
You can.
Okay.
You can. It just takes time. You know, if you want to sit there for an afternoon with us and spend an hour and a half with us, that works just well.
That's not that much time.
No, not at all.
And it's not invasive.
Exactly.
So you don't have to worry about that. And there's really no recovery time after.
There isn't. You walk out of the office and you can go about your day.
All right. And you have an offer for our viewers, is that right?
We do. For anybody who mentions our Everyday Iowa segment, you can call our office at 563-556-6292, and you'll be able to get a promotional offer on any of our services.
Oh, that's great. And where exactly are you located?
We're in Dubuque at 2442 Mine and Court.
Anything else people need to know about Advanced Wellness?
Like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, and you can search us on the web at advancedwcdbq.com.
Thank you, Nicole.
Thank you.
Yeah.